more than like, it's almost kidnapping the kid. I mean, I don't know. What's the relationship with you guys? I mean, does he have parental rights?
No. He's not waiting for her by blood at all. He just...
And you want to press charges?
I do. I'm done with it. Like, I'm done. I have pictures in my phone. I've tried to...
You guys are just friends though, you said?
Yeah, we grew up together from childhood. We reconnected.
You don't have a tag right on the car?
I don't know the tag by heart. I think it's like, yes, I'm Mara Raspberry.
You have an ID on you?
Yeah.
23. I'm gonna wait for a second unit. We're still. He's about to go southbound on Pine Lakes from Palmcoast Parkway.
Copy, going southbound Pine Lakes from Palmcoast Parkway.
Do you know where he would have went to?
I have no clue. I know he was trying to come out to drive him to Orlando to his old stomping ground. It's a gym called H Squad. I'm like, no, it's a school. You gotta be my little one.
Is that what the whole thing started over?
No, it was just, he just been throwing attitude the whole time, the whole day, and I was just like, where can I drop you off at?
Yeah.
And so he told me to come here, because he was like, I gotta get something out of the store, and he goes, I like going into the store, I get out, and like, locks me, runs around, locks me out of the car. We were over there at first, on the side, and then I'm just like, I'm trying to wake my maple sleep, I wake her up, but he's talking to her, not allowing for her to do what I told her to do. Roll the window down or unlock the door.
Alright, I see 63. I'm gonna go ahead and light the vehicle up. Commerce coming up to US1.
Copy, lighting it up. Commerce, US1.
Hey, let me see your hands! Stop the car! Yeah, he's going. 23, he's fleeing but not stopping. Correction, he's not fleeing but just not stopping. He's trying to roll forward.
Copy, vehicle rolling forward.
He's on US1 southbound at Royal Palms. Where would he be going?
Royal Palms? Is he trying to drop my baby off?
I'm not sure. Do you
Because I live on 32 right on her drive.
Do you want to press charges for kidnapping?
I do. I want to press charges for everything I get him for. He got my vehicle. He has my
Delta
car.
213
He has my baby.
Stop the vehicle! Stop the vehicle, bro. Let me see your hands.
Put the vehicle apart and turn it off.
23. We got verbals going with the driver. Okay.
Get out. Get out.
Get out of the car. Do it now. Get out of the car. Do it now.
With your left hand, keep the right hand where it is. Open the door from the outside and slowly get out.
Hey.
With your left hand, open your door from the outside and get out. Unlock it and get out. You think we're playing? Get out.
The male was quickly located trying to get on the interstate highway, and a tense standoff followed between him and the officers.
Yo, get out of the car. Do it now. All right.
Hey, get out of the car now. Don't make me tell you again.
No.
Now.
No.
Get
Out of the car. Walk back to us. Do it now.
around.
Aw, me got hand sarge.
Around.
Told you I don't have no gun.
Turn around.
I got something in my pocket. My wallet.
Hey. Walk back towards me, all right? Walk back towards me. Hey, walk back towards me. Come on.
Okay.
All right. Keep walking. Keep walking inside of my voice. Come on, man.
Keep walking, dude.
Keep walking towards me. Come on.
Come on, keep walking, man. Chill out. We got you. Thank you. Step back here for me. Just listen to me and everything will be fine. All right. I appreciate it. Put your hands behind your back. All right. Hey, cool. You're just being detained.
Can you do the other way, please?
Hold on.
My hand?
Yes, we will. Relax.
My hand is messed up.
Okay, we're gonna fix her. We gotta make sure she's all right. Calm down, dude.
But you're not understanding that my hand is fractured.
Chill out.
Okay, I got
listen,
goggles on. And
there's a reason we're out here, so
I got
there's
you.
we didn't
I hear you.
we didn't just come.
Officer, I hear you.
Hey, sweetie, you okay? You okay? You all right?
What's your name?
Can I get a high five? Can I get a high five?
What'd you say your name was? Zoe.
Do
Zoe.
you want to go back to your mom? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna bring mom over here, okay? Alrighty, you're safe now.
You want to shut the car?
Yeah.
Okay, honey.
Calm down. We'll fix him in a minute. All right.
I got you, but I'm telling you, you're grabbing onto my hand. And it's painful for me right now.
Okay. We'll fix it in a second. I promise you.
I got you. No, it's too late now. The officer behind me is the one gripping my hand.
Any weapons or anything on you?
No, I was trying to tell you the weapons are all on the dash or whatever.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Give me a second to talk to you.
We will. Well, we got to read you some rights, all right, and then we'll get with
I hear
you.
you.
All right. We'll figure it out.
Paperwork. I'm just gonna get some pictures of you, just because there was a battery. So I just gotta check you and make sure you don't have. It doesn't look like you have any injuries.
No, I don't think so, because the markings that I do have are probably from the first time he attacked me, which were those, when he tried to strangle me.
When was that?
2 weeks, 2 weeks ago.
And this is just a friend of yours, like no relationship at all?
No relationship.
Okay.
I just don't want you to fall, man.
I got a bad toe.
Okay.
It's an injury right now that I've been trying to get over it. I don't want you to cut my bag though. For real. It's the only bag I got. No, there's no clip. That's what I was saying. I'm right here. You got 2 hands on me. I'm not going nowhere.
How old are you, sweetie? You're 5? Wow, you're a big girl.
Just let mom know daughter's fine, and also when you get a second, you can bring her over here to our stop, please.
It's gonna be kind of tight, but I'll get you a ride over there. I promise.
I know. I got police fam. I know.
You got what?
I have police fam. All my family are police are military.
I got you.
But they're in Jackson. So. Can you close the door?
Just watch your foot. If you can, just angle it up. There you go.
I was trying to tell you, maybe roll the window down at least for the little girl, dog.
Dude, we got the door open. She's fine. I promise you.
I got you, but she's already scared.
Listen, we've talked to her. We're good. Mom's coming up here. We're straight.
I know, but I'm saying the thing is she was scared because she's banging on the window, and literally I asked for the keys. That's all it was. I couldn't find my...
I was trying to explain to you. It's like we literally I just talked to her myself. She is totally fine. I promise you. She's our #1 concern too. I promise.
Where's the blood coming from on your hand from?
I really like your shirt. Your shirt's really cool.
Shoes are shiny too.
It's nice. Oh, look at the shoes.
I like those.
That's really cool.
Those are good.
Oh, it lights up. That's awesome. Hey, so mom's gonna be here within like 5 minutes, okay? Okay. We're just here to talk to dad, okay? Alrighty?
You need medical attention for anything? Sir?
I was supposed to go back. I'm not even.
Okay.
I
have not.
Yeah. You want to just search him? We'll go with terminal.
Can I lean right here after y'all search me? Because you were just asking me something. I just got to the hospital 2 or 3 days ago with a busted hand. I was supposed to be in the cast. I took the cast off.
Okay.
Because I had 3 busted nails. Because I just got a hospital over there in in Daytona.
Okay.
I think a tire replacer, discount tires over there.
You got him for saying?
Yeah.
I'll go up.
You want to search him real quick?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull up. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up.
The quick response by the officers eliminated any chances of the suspect crossing state lines and evading law enforcement. The mother was finally reunited with her child after an intense period of separation.
She wasn't hurt at all. She was cool and calm with us, Mom. Okay, so, she seems to be fine and stuff like that. We were talking to her and all that, but...
Is she still in the car?
Yeah, she is. She's
okay.
flipping the
Okay.
backseat right here.
I'm gonna go through it one more time. Just kind of go through what happened with me.
Okay, so he said I had just went to Wendy's, picked up my little one something to eat. I was asking where to drop him off at. Commissioner Orlando Avis car said no, school night. He said he left something, forgot to get something out of the kangaroo store. Went to the kangaroo store. As we were getting out, he hops back in, and when he hops in, he locks the car.
Okay.
The car is running.
What's in that bag? Look at everything. I got pins. I got a little bit of everything.
What kind of thing?
That shouldn't be in there, like drugs, guns, weapons. It's just some weed.
truthfully, be straight up honest with you. Yeah.
All right, what's your first name, man?
Andrew.
Okay, Andrew, I'm Deputy Parker, White County Sheriff's Office. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a pat down on you. Once I start my pat down, don't make any type of sudden moves. If you do, I'll take that as an act of aggression and act accordingly. Do you understand?
Said what?
Once I start my pat down, do not make any type of sudden moves. Okay? In other words, don't try to jerk out of our hands. Don't try to take off on us.
Okay. Can I warn you about one thing?
Sure.
I got a skateboarding injury real close up here, so just be a little gentle.
Sure, absolutely. Is there anything on me that's going to poke me, stick me, or jab me, bud?
Not that I know of.
All right, man. Listen.
Hey, I ain't had a girl touch me in a while, so just be careful, okay?
Roger that, brother.
I might enjoy it too much.
I might enjoy it too much. I understand. I know your brother. Hey, listen. You understand, we're just here for your safety as well as ours, okay?
And I'm like yelling at him like, this is kidnapping, whatever. Give him I'm like, this don't make any sense. So you're not making any sense. We're going back and forth. He hops out of the car. I'm on the passenger side now.
So he hops over the center console and out?
He hops over the center console, gets out through the passenger door. We're like, what's up? What's up? What's up there? And he does some type of hand motion when like around my throat and then knocks me back. He knocked me so far back, like I tumbled back and then my glasses flew off.
Okay. And then after that, what happened?
After that, I'm like, you stupid. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna call the cops. I reached in and grabbed my phone, and I didn't know that they were already calling, like people were around and were already calling the police.
Right.
So, yeah.
And then he just left.
He sped off with Zoe.
Okay.
Go ahead and have a seat, okay? Listen, the seats are small, so if you need to sit diagonal for a minute, go ahead and sit diagonal, okay?
Shit, boy. Yeah.
I know. But just basically sit down on your butt and slide in is the best way. There you go. There you go. All right, watch your back.
What all in the car is his?
Wants it?
What was that?
So he wants his stuff?
Yeah, I guess that was the issue. Is like he was trying to get dropped off and all that, but then he stopped talking to me. So
We just don't want anything in your car that's not yours that's going to get you in trouble or something like that, you know?
Oh, yeah, no.
is that bag and all his stuff his?
Yeah, all of that in the back.
You want to take all that?
Yeah, I think all of it. Nope. Skateboard, this weight.
This ball his?
No, it's not his.
Okay. Can I give that to you to put up there with you?
I'm sorry for the booster seat.
They ain't gonna take all this at the jail. Go into evidence. With your stuff in the back, she said she's willing to drop it off. You have family at 71 Lever Drive?
No.
Where's your family at?
I have none.
None? Who lives at 71 Lever Drive?
My god sister gave me a trespassing note recently.
Okay, so you can't even go there.
No.
Okay.
That's why again I put my faith in somebody I shouldn't have at this point.
I got you.
Because again she's trying to threaten my career.
So what do you do for work?
I'm an athlete. I just opened a business called Humble Passion LLC.
Okay. What is it?
It was registered. I didn't register it, but it was on 420. It's a personal training business, programming, and all of that.
Okay.
I do a lot of mentoring. Like a lot of it's trial and error, shadowing, and then going from there. Like I try to do what I can to just observe, and then make a notation off of that, and go from there. So like.
Okay.
Hey. She said something to me the other day. We were at court.
So all that stuff back there is his. Can I get somebody to drop that off at 4 Rose Petal?
Bro,
that's what he said.
She said she was gonna call like her family and stuff like that.
It's
a lot of
his stuff.
Yeah. She can do it. No. That's a lot of shit, bro. Yeah.
Okay. If you're good with it.
She said she was gonna go by. Multiple bags.
Because he said 71 Lever Drive. I mean, it's coming from him, but he said he's trespassing there, so he can't even go get it.
Listen, I'll explain to her. She cannot discard any of her stuff. She can be charged. It's in her vehicle. She needs to get it somewhere, and that's it. We're not doing any favors for him.
Okay.
She said she would. She said, I'll call like his uncle or something like that. I'll hand it over.
Okay.
Guy wants favors now. Just kidnap a fucking little girl.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Cool.
And he was in the other car or something.
Oh, bro.
I'll go tell her for you. You want to go?
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take him and start getting down there.
Good job, pal.
Thank you. All right, step on out. Separate, stay right here.
Yeah.
You face this way or what?
Yeah, you can face the car. Or actually, no, face me.
I got a skateboard injury right here. That's why I was telling homie.
What'd you do?
I skateboarded, and I'm just an athlete, and lately, like I said, I didn't tell you I'm battling a foot injury. Oh boy. You doing my ankles here?
You got a light? No.
What's going on? What happened?
We're just taking those off.
Oh, okay. It looks like what?
Do you want to re-screw them in the back? Or?
Yeah, if you guys are good just standing here for a second.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to tell you before we get in the car, if you have anything shoved anywhere, anything like that, step back for me. It's an extra felony, and I'm giving you a fair chance just to tell me now if you have anything else. If shoved anywhere we didn't check, anything we didn't find.
Felony?
If you have something on you that we didn't find that's illegal, like contraband, anything like that.
I'm sorry, but what do I look like to you?
I tell everybody.
I'm just saying, like,
Okay.
y'all just searched me 3 times.
Yeah.
At this point, like,
I tell everybody whether it's...
I got leggings on, dude.
Okay. Go ahead and hop in.